Find two consecutive positive integers whose product is 156 by forming and solving a quadratic equation. We start by setting up the equation based on the given condition. The product of two consecutive integers x and x plus 1 equals 156. Next, we expand the equation to get it into standard quadratic form, which is x squared plus x minus 156 equals 0. We then attempt to factor the quadratic equation. The factors of minus 156 that add up to 1 are 13 and minus 12, so we factor it as open bracket x plus 13 close bracket open bracket x minus 12 close bracket equals 0. Using the zero product property, we set each factor equal to 0 and solve for x. This gives us two potential values for x, minus 13 and 12. Given that we need positive integers, the solution x equals minus 13 is not valid. Thus, x equals 12 is our solution, and the two consecutive positive integers are 12 and 13.